So our topic today is all about be who you are to yourself. So be who you are in every situation unsay ginabuhat nimo karon, be who you are. So do not be afraid to do everything that you need to do. So just expose yourself in criticism, social media. So I'm one also na introvert. So karon situation na karon kung sa nilas. So pero akong sinilas karon wala kayong tang nang nilas karon. So yeah, little bit medyo guba gyud, and yeah, just be for yourself. Remember, do not neglect to put effort to yourself also. Not always go to work, but use your talent. Uh, yeah, have a quality time to yourself. Maybe coffee, or you go to the nature, or you go to uh, a place na gusto nimo adtuan. And yeah, a lot of stress ang daghan sa imong una karon, you will feel that, kind of stress, bombarded in your problems, sa work, family, relationship, in any kind of area sa life nimo. Just go with it, take that uh, problem, go to the face with it, go to the pressure, approach pressure as an opportunity to you, for yourself to grow in that kind of area. Be who you are, just keep moving, and always keep this saying to your mind that you always need to trust God in any situation in your life. Do not neglect um, small things, habits, routines you build for yourself. So you can read also Atomic Habits by James Clear. You will know how important 1% of your life can make a difference, and it could uh, give all the positive and negative that you are going through right now. Yeah, just focus on 1% positive, and it could reflect how you go through life, and it could be massive, great massive impact if you have a positive 1% habit in every morning. So nagtuyok na ko dari. It's a nice place. Makita niyo mo. And yeah, just keep moving, just keep believing, trust the process. So I am in the process right now of believing something that, yeah, better will be happen. So I need to put effort in that. So I know that there's a plan God wanted me to do. Ano akong ginabuhat karon, just documenting everything. And makita po na to dari na nag-exercise ito mga tanan. How? It's like how you treat yourself. Discipline. Be who you are to yourself. Be true to yourself. Just like what they are doing. So they're getting exercise, discipline themselves, and consistency is really important in developing uh, habits that really gives you understanding of how to become of yourself. And God bless everyone. See you